In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or delete a contact from Gmail. Whether you need to clear some clutter or maintain better organization, deleting unwanted contacts from your Gmail is a straightforward task. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you understand everything clearly. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Google Contacts website. You can do this by typing Google Contacts into the search bar and clicking the first link that appears. Make sure you are signed into the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple accounts, to ensure you're editing the correct set of contacts. Once you're on the Google Contacts page, you'll see a list of all your saved contacts. If you have a large number of contacts and you're looking for a specific one to delete, use the search bar located at the top of the page. Type in the name or email address of the contact you want to remove, and a list of possible matches will appear. This feature is especially handy for those with extensive contact lists, as it saves time and effort. Next, once you have located the contact you wish to delete, click on the contact's name to open their details page. Here you'll get a detailed view of the contact's information. On the right-hand side, you'll find a vertical three-dot menu icon, sometimes referred to as the More option. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In this drop-down menu, you will see the option labeled Delete. Click on Delete and a confirmation dialog box will pop up. This is Google's way of double-checking to make sure you really want to delete this contact. If you're sure about removing this contact, click Delete again in the confirmation dialog. And that's it. The contact will be permanently deleted from your account. Remember that once a contact is deleted, it cannot be undone, so make sure you really want to let go of those details. If you're planning on removing multiple contacts, note that you can select them by clicking the checkbox next to each contact on the main contacts list. Bulk actions can be incredibly useful and save you a considerable amount of time if you need to clean up your entire contact list. After selecting multiple contacts, simply follow the same process. Click the More icon, select Delete, and confirm your choice in the dialog that appears. This process is a great way to keep your Gmail contacts tidy and up to date, ensuring that you can find the information you need when you need it. By routinely checking and maintaining your contacts, you'll have a more streamlined and efficient communication channel. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to remove or delete a contact from Gmail. I hope you found this guide helpful and clear. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.